The Emprove Program supports drug manufacturers around regulations. For each filter and single-use assembly qualified under the Emprove Program, Sigma developed 3 dossiers. They assist you throughout the different stages of your operations: qualification, risk assessment, and process optimization. The Material Qualification dossier supports you when qualifying new filters and single-use assemblies in your process. It provides detailed information on the procedures and results of our product validation, along with data on the product itself. This helps simplify and speed up your drug filing preparation. The dossier also offers information on the materials of construction, statements about materials of concern, such as animal origin, and a manufacturing flowchart. For your risk assessment, the Quality Management Dossier provides information about the processes used to manage our supply chain. In addition, you get detailed information on our quality management systems. Also included is long-term study data on the shelf life of our filters and single-use components. To support the optimization of your processes, take a look at the Operational Excellence Dossier. It provides a full extractables profile, tested following the Best Practices Guide recommended by Bioforum and adopting the USP 665 guidance. This information enables you to demonstrate patient safety and, if needed, optimize your leachables testing strategies. All information in the Emprove program is a result of thoroughly evaluated processes, helping you to drive confidence in your manufacturing processes and to speed your way through the regulatory maze. The Emprove program also covers raw and starting materials, chromatography resins, and cell culture media.